Hey guys, Merry Christmas to you guys, and today I'm going to bring you a brand new video about how to change the cabin air filter on a 2008 Porsche Cayman 987.1. The same can apply to the Cayman 987.2 and 987.1 Boxsters and so on. So please do not get scammed. Do not get ripped off. This is extremely easy, and I'm going to show you how to change the cabin air filter. It is very inexpensive. The whole cost of this is about $23. I bought the air filter from eBay for $23. You can find the same air filter at your local AutoZone for the same price, $23. I personally checked this yesterday and it was $23. So let's go ahead and change the camera here. And here's the air filter that I bought. Here's the model. And I need to tell you a disclaimer. This is not sponsored at all. Here's the model, okay? And here's what we need to do. The first thing you need to do is to undo this on both sides. Well, prior to taking that off, you have to open your front hood, okay? Then after you do that, you're going to see the battery here. It is extremely easy to change if you need to change it. Then you're going to come on this side and you're going to remove this right here. It's very easy to remove, okay? It's out. Once you have that removed, you're going to find the air filter right here. It's on the passenger side of the car. So it's going to be right here. I already have it out, and I want to show you guys how this thing looks. It is completely filthy dirty. It is so dirty. Who knows what that is? This car is from 2008. Likely, this has not been changed at all. And oops, it's a lot of nasty things. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the trash. Okay, so we have that out of the way. And the reason I'm saying do not get scammed, because the dealership is going to charge you $120 to do this. So don't get scammed. Apparently, the cabin air filter was exchanged multiple times in the past. I think this is complete BS because the cabin filter is extremely dirty. Okay, so please save your money. This car is built like a tank, therefore you can do your own maintenance if you're comfortable, of course. I try to do my own maintenance on all my cars, and that's something that I like to do. I enjoy doing it. Let's open the air filter. Okay, let's go open it right here. Here's the air filter. It actually goes this way, but it also includes how to install it. So it's actually very, very easy. This is foolproof, okay? So I'm gonna put this right there, and I'm going to show you how to install this thing. Okay, so here's what you gotta do. You have to lift this a little bit, and you're going to slide the air filter, and it has to fit in this basin right here. Make sure there's a latch here on the side. Make sure it's down, okay? And I'm going to fit the filter in place. That's it. It fits. That is it. It is in place. I'm making sure that it's in place. Then I'm gonna put the latch that is inside right here. I'm going to make sure that is in place as well. And then this place is the cover, the protection cover that goes on the front. It is very easy to install. You go like so. Make sure the top goes in and then the bottom goes in very easily. That's it. It's nice and secure. That is it. Then you're gonna put this on the bottom like so. You're going to do everything in reverse now. So make sure that everything is nice and in place. So it is in place. You're going to go ahead and put this right here. See, it fits nicely. All right, so that is it. Then I'm going to install the front cover. It goes like so. Once latch fits in there, the second one fits on this side right here. You're gonna put it down. You're going to secure it in place. That's it. You're going to secure this in place, the second one. That's it. It's in place. And that's all it takes. It's going to take you less than 3 minutes to do the whole thing. It's just easy like this. Okay, it's very, very easy. You guys saw the old air filter. It's filthy, horrible. I mean, this is why a lot of people get scammed, because they don't know how to change the filter. Then you go to the dealership or whatever, then they charge you like $120 to do something that is going to take just a few minutes. In conclusion, please save your money. Do your own maintenance if you feel comfortable. You're going to end up saving money. The Porsche 987, the Cayman 987 is built like a tank. And one last thing that I want to talk to you guys is I recently upgraded the tail lights, and these are the LED tail lights. It is completely worth it. If you want me to make a video, please leave the comment below. I can show you guys how to install this, which is extremely easy and also very inexpensive. So please leave a comment below and I'll be more than happy to show you guys how to do it. It is a very nice upgrade, 100%. It looks modern, it works perfectly, and it is error-free, okay? Thank you guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye!